Ya Allah, aku pasrahkan diriku sepenuhnya pada saat ini kepada penguasa langit dan bumi. Aku ikhlas ya Allah. Aku ikhlas.
Kita terpaksa berpisah untuk mencari akhir. Kita dipukul ombak hidup alam yang nyata.
Allah tak pernah silap dalam mempertemukan kita dengan seseorang. Oh, kita cakap, menyesal aku jumpa dia, menyesal aku jatuh cinta dengan dia, menyesal aku terima dia. Patutnya orang lain. Tak, Allah temukan kita dengan dia ada sebab. Semuanya untuk membentuk kita yang hari ni. Mustahil kita sekuat ni kalau kita tak jumpa dia. Dan mustahil kita boleh berubah sejauh ni kalau bukan sebab pengajaran tu. Perbanyakkan istighfar, insya-Allah.
Watch.
Nice.
This man was the most cold-hearted killer ever. From 1974 to 1978, Ted Bundy was living a double life. By day, he was a charismatic, clean-cut law student, but by night, he was a serial killer. His target was mainly college women, and his modus operandi was to fake an injury to gain sympathy from women in the campus, asking simple favors like, "Would you help me bring my books to my car?" And once they got near his car, he would knock them unconscious, kidnap them, before proceeding to sexually assault them, eventually murdering them. After burying the bodies, he was said to go back on occasion and have intercourse with the corpses. Even though it's said that within the span of 4 years, he killed approximately 30 to 40 women, no one knows how many women actually died. That is why many people say that.
As we keep it low, 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 low key. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line for the bathroom. All the girls standing in the line.
Talented and gifted, I guess the table shifted. I feel like a whole brand new bitch, bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'. I feel like a whole brand new bitch.
I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. Hey girl, you know the deal. I gotta keep.
我 to the young to the don't to the good to the runny. Ha! To the young to the don't to the good to the runny. To the young to the don't to the good to the runny.
Hori ong ong ong, hori ong a ong a ong.
Hori what? into the moon.